Hey guys, so I'm back another next day because when I came home yesterday, I did just put down the stuff them and go start sort out the laundry because I did have to wash. I was hoping and praying that today would be a sunny day, and it was indeed a sunny day, so I took the day to just wash and declutter. If you don't see the background, plus you're not going to see that further down in a Vlogmas, so you're not going to see everything what I do. But me just take the day for declutter because the lady I come for clean tomorrow, so me did have to like get these out the way. And you know me, once me take stuff down, me have to wash them same time because me don't want everything piled up. So the laundry in the background and the background just look a mess. But let us get into unboxing all the goodies. So by now, you know, have an idea of the stuff that I want to buy because I don't see it in the previous video, but you never see like the detail. Plus, we have some more stuff to unbox. So all I bought yesterday was the napkin. I go pop out them stuff here before I go on my bed. So the napkin, dishwashing liquid, and shower gel. Yeah, I'm not gonna get into that. I want to get into the home decor part and all the things that want to decorate the house. So see this beautiful vase. I take off the price of my fighting, but I think I'm supposed to see it $2,000, and if you ask me, I think it's worth it. Hopefully the fan alone in the background. But I think it's worth it. It's very, very heavy. It feels to me like I don't know measurement nor pound, you know. Because I would have wanted to say this feel like 2 pounds, but this is not 2 pounds. This is 2 pounds. Feel like 2 pounds. It's heavy. I love the material. I'm not really too excited. It said in a green. I would have loved it for one. I mean, it's cute. Probably the green make the gold pop around it, but really and truly the gold that is around it, that's why I buy it. I just love it. It looks so classy, and it matched the throw blanket. But to me, it looks like sage green or lime green. More like sage green to me. But it's very cute, and I think it's reasonable. Now, we have a little problem. We did have the door open, you know, because we did a wash. Bare mosquito come in. Anyways, we have a little problem. I might have to go back a whole square. Go see if I can exchange this. I don't know. I really love them. I want to keep them. But it's cheap. And when I edit the video, I see it, you know. So I know when I bring it to me cheap, it cheap from there. So I take it up because I see it in the video when I edit it. And then the plate them really cute. Hope the video is not too exposed, but I love it. So me and Joseph can have matching. So you know, we can put it like this. We look up porridge and then we fry dumpling on the side. My icicle melt out, guys. It tastes so good. A strawberry flavor, and it just mushy like, look. So good. I have the receipt, so I can actually bring it back. I can exchange it. If them feel like I may crack it, I can probably show them the video because I have that. Love this. I bought this as well. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. I might put it in the kitchen, but I love it. I love the little gold on it. If you know, I don't know, just something about gold. But yeah, it's cute, and a $650 fee. It's $650. $650. The list is killing me, but it's nice. It is nice. I like it. I might just put it in the kitchen and put like, I don't know, but make it turn my hand make fashion, as my mother would have said, or older people. Anyways, this nice vanity tray, guys. Isn't this cute? Love it. I really love this, guys. One thing me got in the store for now. Well, not one, but me never got in the store for them something here what me have, you know. And the one thing what me mainly go for it around the summer. Probably would have do the video and show you. Anyways, when I finish with all of them here, I'm showing you. But this is really cute. I'm going to put this in the middle of my table with the vase. I want candle and then the plant in it. But yeah, really nice. Get into the details. See that? Yeah, love it. And then, oh, that's it. No, wait, I lie. I bought this. So I did have one of this in my bathroom and Jason make it broke. Me don't know what you, hey man, me I tell you about man. You see man, me don't know cause how Jason make this broke, I don't know. What him do to make it broke. Or probably they just, me don't know, probably, yeah. One of them having in the bathroom and the little white one them still get the job done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it from out of the bathroom and put it in the next bathroom and then put this in my bathroom. But yeah, me love this. This is for $1,800. This throw blanket. But then I try for this side if I take this or the, was it nude or apricot color what them did have. But I say no, I'm gonna take this because I think it go good with this. Looking at it now, kinda far, kinda, just a little, but this is it. Very big. I'm afraid the video too exposed, you know, because yeah, hopefully you'll see a little bit better. See it here. It's pretty and it's soft and comfy. Now, remember me they telling us the rest of something them off of the wedding registry never reach. So these reach. This is from my cousin. A Stanley water bottle for Jason because me did get the Stanley cup. So Jason get the bottle. I really love this. And from the looks of it, me know so this is gonna keep water. Very cool. So Camille, thank you so much, baby. Really appreciate it. I know Jason gonna love it. In my edit right now. That's why I'm not gonna call him. Or if you don't want to like screw it off, you can. Love it. Love it. This is gonna come in so handy for when we go work. Talking about work, I feel like I'm gonna skip like several episodes of our life, but we'll update you guys on that in another video. These table mats from the registry as well, and these are from Dredan. You guys know Dredan is always in the comment section, so big up Dredan for these. I can't find the note. I really appreciate it. I love it. So I've been eyeing these on Amazon for the longest while. Somebody just added to the registry, so this is gonna be a part of the decor. And a 6 of them. Only thing them one here not so sturdy, but it's really nice. The material I feel like it's gonna rip or anything. Focus. Yeah. What I'm really excited about are these. Let us get into it. And guys, obviously I know me going to a store to buy them. Remember, I'm in Jamaica, but you can order them online. Anyways, I start use this already. I use this yesterday. I know it. It smells good. Oh, cherry. These are from them new collection. It's alright. I like it. Now these, I never know about this. This one I didn't know about. This is the gingham, but this is gorgeous. I've never seen this one, and it smells really good, guys. Like, pickle moss, it smells better than the blue one, but something about the blue one where, yeah, it's the best smelling one. Although me here so them have the grape scent, I've never smelled that one. Oh, this smells so good. Love it. This nice. The blue one, I did have it before, but it never in the bottle here. This smells so good. Mother tell anybody to buy this. No more to smell the grape scent and the rest of them what them have. The butterfly. The butterfly smell like it named butterfly, yeah. Butterfly. It give me like sweet pea vibe. This is exactly how sweet pea they smell. I never love sweet pea. Yeah, it smells just like sweet pea. Exactly like sweet pea. I guess them change it because people never really well, let me talk to myself. Me never love sweet pea. This smell like sweet pea. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10. I really love it. Next we have strawberry pound cake. Yeah, I love this too. I know it. I would have said this in a main top 6. Ah, smells so good. Smells so edible. Yeah, love it. I know it. I sniff it like I know it. Smells really good. It's a frosted coconut snowball. I've never seen this one before. It's new to me. So let me smell it. Smells different. Put it on me. Try that. It can go on. So I'm not going to keep all of them. I'm definitely going to share. Alright, so these are strawberry snowflakes. You know what should I do? Give the picnic them one for them Christmas. Cause the Christmas they look shaky, you know. I wonder if I should wrap it, give them. I'm gonna take it in a set if you guys are wondering. So no shower gel, no lotion. I don't really love them lotion and I don't love them shower gel. Anyways, strawberry snowflake. I could see what I give. Ooh. This smells similar to something. What if them rebottle the stuff them? Wait, I had this. I did have this. It did in a one pink bottle with like some little grit on it. Wait, it did in a one bottle like this but darker pink. I know I did have this. If you don't know, comment and let me know. So it named strawberry snowflake. Them rebottle it, you know? Come I know this. I know it. Not bad at all. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. And then this is from their new collection as well. If you must. I pretend like I don't know it. I know it. I love it. I really love it. Oh, it smells really good. To me, from the collection, I would say this, and let me think about it good because I don't want to feel. The one in the green bottle, what it name? I like the one in the green bottle. I'm like Getaway, what it name? Getaway, sorry, something like that. I like that too. But this, I love it. It smells fresh. Hey, I don't know how to describe perfume, you know? I don't know. Watch my receipt in there. As I say, guys, I never me go buy it. I just say what I want. Well, I was on the phone. It smells so good. Yeah, on my body and on my clothes, it's 2 different scents. Nevertheless, it smells really good. Guys, I'm so kind. I'm not toot my own on. Sometimes people come over and like say, just touch something and say, whoa, me like this really bad. Here, me have one more. Me have one more. Me gonna give you. It's just in me. And my mother make it from a same, so my mother can. Anyways, I have 2 of them here. These are gonna buy them here for me. Thank you so much, Sissy, if y'all watch this. She got in a Marshall's, go see them here, and she grabbed them for me. Wait, focus thing, focus, good. Anyways, this is strawberry milkshake, and it's inspired by Crybaby. Guys, this smells so good. I know how it smells because I smell it already. Oh, smells really good. Woo! Smells so good. Like, I wish me did buy like 6 of them here, but I just wear this alone. I don't know if I ever use nothing from them, but them sell inspired cologne. And then this one, this is a cherry smash inspired by Lost Cherry. And it smells good as well, but I prefer the strawberry milkshake. Yeah, it smells good. It smells really good. I put perfume in already. And night time, you know, I see how I dab myself with perfume. I don't want to rub it up, but I just want to get the dry down smell. Yeah, it smells good. This may smell the cherry in this. My battery is dying, but I think I am done. I am done, guys. The only thing I'm not getting into, they're just supplements and stuff like that, and we'll see those further down in the vlog. But yeah, that is it. Comment and let me know what is your favorite. You know, the things that when I'm going to the store go find. Tell me which one I love the most. Tell me what you think. Tell me about the perfume, and just talk to me in the comment section. See you in Vlogmas Day something. Bye, guys.